In this lecture, we will discuss some of the important aspects of CIA Triad which are relevant for ethical hacking exam perspective. CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity and availability. So, as a CEH aspirant, you need to understand what are the three components of CIA Triad. As we know, that is confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality means information should only be available and accessed by the authorized individuals or entities. Integrity means accuracy and completeness of the information. It ensures that information has not been tampered with or altered in any way. Availability means information should be available as and when required by the authorized user. Overall, CIA Triad provides a framework for information security that organizations can use to protect their valuable information assets. Another important aspect that you need to understand is which security principle ensures that the sender of a message or transaction cannot deny that they have sent it or deny its content. So your answer should be non-repudiation. Non-repudiation is a security principle that ensures that sender of a message or transaction cannot deny that transaction or message. This principle is essential for maintaining the integrity and authenticity of digital communication. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.